Hello, how's it going, everyone? I am starting my daughter's sign. If you watch Trash Talk, you will know what I'm talking about. If you haven't, she called me at work the other day and she just wanted me to make a sign for her dishwasher that says clean, dirty. She was thinking of the kind, you just flip it. She's gonna, hold on, there's a plane going by. It's like a little jet. Um, she was gonna put like a little hook on there because her dishwasher is not. You can't put a magnet on it. So she was going to put a hook and then just have a sign that flipped. But yeah, you know me. I have to make it all complicated. So yes, I'm going to make a complicated sign instead. And my theory is it's going to say clean, dirty. I have a piece of paper that I had already kind of cut out. It's the longest one I have. It's 12 inches. Technically, I think I need about 13, but I'm short an inch. So when I fold it in half and fold it like this, so this will go, I'll just do it up here. This will go on the sign. The clean will be up here. The dirty will be up here. And then it'll flip this way. When it says clean, it'll have a set of clean dishes over here. And then this will cover up the dirty so you won't see it because this part of the plate should extend far enough to cover that up. And then when you flip it this way, the set of dishes will be dirty and it'll say dirty. And then I also want to put magnets in there. So I have to figure this all out. So I think I'll have a magnet under here, right on here with this paper over it. And I have these little small magnets. See these? So these two little small magnets will go on the outside. And then this one little bit larger one will be attached to like the plate. So say the plate is glued on here like this. And then this plate would be on this side like so. And then that magnet would be in between. I cut myself yesterday on the chainsaw. The magnet would be in between here, and then hopefully it'll stick down. It'll hold it down like that. Okay, so that's my theory of how I want it to go, my idea. So for now, I have to cut this board down to be this size. So I'm going to cut it straight across here. I'm not sure if I will glue this on first. I think I will do the dishes on there. I will paint this, even though it's already white. I think I will paint it white. The sign is going to be black letters on white to kind of look like a porcelain sign, a clean porcelain sign in a way. And then I think I'll have like a black outline going around the whole thing like that. And then I'm just going to make it all black and white. Maybe the heart, if I decide to add the heart, will be red. She does like the color red. But like the dishes, I think I'm going to draw like a black line. The glasses, I may, I could probably just outline everything in black, and then I just might put like a little ridge, like a little black line there. I'm not sure yet how I'll do it. And then I do want to put like little starburst, like to show that it's clean, but since it's all black and white, I may have to do the starburst in like a blue color. If that makes sense, like a light baby blue or something, and just put a few little stars on there like that. Or I could even probably do it in black too. But yeah, so I'm going to stop talking and just start doing. So bear with me, all right? And we'll get this sign done together. All right, hold on while I get everything out, like me gesso and everything like